Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a table without legs, because the normal interpretation of a table is with like 4 legs. Here's a table without any legs, it only has one. It doesn't look that bad, but it doesn't look better than anything else. So let's create new, start, part design of course. I'm just waiting for it to load. There you go. Now I'll cancel this because I want to see the whole thing. Let's sketch. Just make a simple rectangle. That's good enough. Close it. Pad it. Really, that's all you need to do. Now you're probably wondering why I'm not doing this again. If I need to sketch again a slightly smaller rectangle. Yeah, looks good. Close. Pad. No, not 10. Just give it a good design. You know. Okay. Do that again. Exact same square. There. It's not exactly perfect, but yeah. Escape. Close. And start padding. It wasn't like 17. So yeah, that gives a kind of a good texture. Now I'm going to repeat this. So pad 01 over here. Horizontal base XY, YZ, XZ. Oh, well, yeah, you can't do this. Really? Must be a way. It's yeah. Well, now this is going to be the last one. Like, at least give it some like depth. It's starting to look better. And 17 again. 14, 15. There. That looks really good. Now to make the table, I do have a few ideas, but like I don't think you can create a pocket in the. So like I need to like intersect and make it look better, but I just don't know how. But we'll do that in another video. This one, the last part's pretty easy. Anyway, now I'm having a bit of a, just like that. Oh God, just like that. Now, let me, where's constraint? 5. Well, I hate that table. So now, what we are going to do is we're just going to pad it. Well, that's the last part of the video. I mean, yeah. I think I might want to make it look better, so I'm going to do another sketch probably. This one. Yeah, I don't like this sketch though, because it wasn't very symmetrical. I just drew a square. And yeah, yay! Now gotta see which one it pads. This one, I like it. Now, yeah, that's basically it. There's not a lot of space to eat it because it's only millimeters. Yeah, but bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Bye!